Tax season is here, and the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, is getting ready to process more than 162 million tax returns. Over 90% of individuals file their returns electronically. Those who don't are contributing to a massive paper collection. Making matters worse, for decades, taxpayers had no choice but to respond to certain IRS requests through the mail. As of this summer, the IRS estimates that it has 1 billion historical documents, like tax returns and letters to the agency, not digitized. Those historical documents cost the IRS $40 million per year to store, which continues to grow each year and can cause a processing backlog. Now, it takes about 4 weeks to process a single paper return. IRS agents actually manually transcribe them into the system. In 2021, 22% of transcribed paper returns contained entry errors, and that can cause months of additional back and forth between the taxpayer and the IRS. So this year, the IRS is trying to go as paperless as possible. Now, taxpayers will be able to digitally submit all correspondence, and with these digitization efforts, 94% of all taxpayers will no longer need to physically mail documents, according to the IRS. The agency is embarking on an effort to digitize all 1 billion historical documents by the end of the 2025 season. Additionally, the agency hopes to process all paper tax returns digitally now with scanners to avoid those manual data entries and the corresponding mistakes. Now, the money that the IRS is using to digitize comes from the 2022 Inflation Reduction Act. That law included funding for a host of priorities like clean energy projects, but it also gave the IRS $80 billion to hire more agents and update its technology.